we got the smart car right here, 2013, 2012 edition, and we were doing some body work. I got some shorts on the channel y'all can check out how we did some plastic bumper repair. But right now we're gonna go ahead. I hit this bumper already, but I'm gonna retouch it up on the front panel, this side, and I'll show y'all a little bit what we got. So we did some bumper repair here. It re-cracked because things are a little bit shifted. So we went ahead, re-primed it, wet sanded here as well. There's a piece here that had a hole. So we're gonna go ahead, spray it down. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the process that we go through to do that. You're right. So go ahead and lay this down. So we already got this bad boy painted. Looks nice and uniform now. I want to lay a clear coat over it just so it gives it a better shine and a protective coating. So I'm going to be using some Duplicolor clear coat. I'm going to pop this bad boy open. Which I've used this one before. Get my strainer and pour it directly into my gun. So I got my strainer. Pour me a little bit off in there. That should be enough. Spill a little clear coat on my truck. Who cares? Get my test spray going. Let's get alive. Now it's kind of hard to see when you're actually laying down clear coat. Say it ain't so, bro. All right, just go get Fat Boy. All right. So got this clear coat being laid. It sprayed out a little bit of dirt on that one, but you know what do you expect? We're getting it done out here. So here we have it. We got the smart car put all the way back together, looking real uniform, like the day it was purchased. Real nice. I actually have some other videos on my shorts of us before we had put everything back together on the smart car. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel if we've helped y'all out a little bit. And if you have any questions, send us a message. We'll be sure to answer those.